In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top, select Open in pop-up view and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To hold it, click on one of your corners and drag it as well. If you want to use more options of pop-up view, click on this line at the top and use all of those. To turn it into a bubble, click on Home button and then access it again by clicking on the bubble. To close it, just swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!